A lot of people don't know that our company also gets into restoration projects. This is a fire restoration project over in the Hurstbourne area. This home caught on fire one night. Fire actually started on the front porch in a light fixture. The client reached out to us on this project is they started out with a restoration company when the fire happened, and what they quickly learned is that the restoration company could not adequately put the home back together with all the custom details and everything that they wanted back just like they had it originally. This home, we took off the entire roof. We brought in a really large crew. We took the roof off, put a new roof on, and now we're getting back into the more of the restoration, putting the home back together phase of it. We have one more step here right now that we're about to do, which is the soda blasting and the sealing of the home. They started out with numbers that the insurance company gave them to put the home back together, to buy the products, and we advocated for them, and we've gotten them about 25 to 30% more on many items. Most of those items are the finishes that to get the things they had before, the same quality cabinets, the same quality appliances, the granites. Because we're a high-end custom builder, we were able to come in and say this specific granite that was in here was this product. When we advocated for the homeowner, showed exactly what the product was, they were able to get more money for that, and they are now able to pick out the better products that they had originally. And then there's also a lot of code updates, and obviously as custom builders, custom remodels, we're constantly up to date on that, and we're advocating for them on all that to get the latest code updates added to the home. Obviously, because this was an electrical fire, we're getting them the newest and the latest electrical safety features. The biggest change, they'll have arc faults in this house now. Nobody ever wants to be in this situation. When the client came to us, it's extremely stressful. Either your home has been damaged by fire, wind, whatever the situation is. We're here to just try to help them put their lives back together and get back in their home as soon as possible so they can get back on with their lives, but at the same quality that they had originally. And in a lot of cases, we're trying to get them as many upgrades and new features as possible as well.